Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to this week's Changelog. This week I'm really excited. We are releasing one of the features that we have been working the most this year. It's going to make your custom audiences and lead generation ads so much better. You're gonna love it, I'm sure. Before we check this new feature, stick with us until the end of the video, because this week I'm going to add a small bonus at the end of it. Okay, let's see what the team has done this week. Ciao! This week's new feature is called AdEspresso Data Sync, and you can find it under Tools, Data Sync. It's going to make your life much easier. We love custom audiences and we love lead generation ads, but the problem with both of them is keeping the data synchronized. You have every day new subscription, new unsubscribe in your CRM, in your mailing list, and on the other side you have lead generation ads, which is an amazing ad unit to generate results, to build your list, but it's extremely important that this data immediately ends up in your CRM so that you can do follow-up with these customers, you can send them a welcome mail, and so on. And until this day, this has been extremely problematic because you had to do all of these, downloading CSV files, uploading them, and so on. With this new tool that we are going to keep developing for the rest of the year, we will make this extremely simple. As you can see, it's in beta right now. And right now we only support CRM, HubSpot and MailChimp, and you'll be able to synchronize data coming from lead generation ads to both these CRM. In the next week, we will start adding more connectors and we will release also custom audience synchronization. I can already tell you that we have in our pipeline new connectors with Infusionsoft, Active Campaigns, GetResponse, and other tools. If you want to help us, please comment immediately and let us know which CRM you are using and what you need the most. So let's see how this works. It's extremely simple. First of all, insert the name of the connector that you want to create. For example, let's call it Test Sync. Create. We have to pick the source of our data. Right now, Facebook is the only option available. Next, we have to pick the advertising account that we want to use, the Facebook page, and here my lead generation forms. These are using lead generation ads, and I have campaigns gathering hundreds of emails every day using these forms. So I'll pick this one. Let's click next, and I can choose where I want to send my data. I can send them to MailChimp or to HubSpot. I will pick HubSpot. At this point, you'll be asked to authorize AdEspresso to access your contact. I've already done it, so it's not asking me to do it again. And I can directly select which HubSpot list I want to write my contact in. So I can just pick a list and all the contacts coming from lead generation ads will be immediately added to that list in HubSpot. Next, it's time to map our data. On the left, I have the data that I'm asking in my lead generation form. Here I'm only asking for the email and the full name, but I could be asking for a lot more information. On the right, I have all the fields that are supported by HubSpot. So I just have to map my information. Let's click next, and a quick summary of what we are creating. I just have to hit save, and this connector will immediately start to work. So if you have thousands of contacts in your lead generation form, they will be immediately synchronized in the HubSpot list, and from now on, every 10 minutes, all the contacts coming from lead generation ads will be written into HubSpot. Right now the feature is in beta, so we have no limit. You can synchronize as many contacts as you can. So, do you love it? It's really going to change the way you advertise. And keep an eye on it because every week we are adding new connectors, and soon we will add the option to synchronize custom audiences as well. It's bonus time, and here's an ad that I really loved this week. Thanks to Molly Pittman, a digital marketer, for discovering this little gem. Look at it. Look how they use social proof to create brand awareness and to attract new customers. The picture is great. All that white space, all that emptiness really focus your attention on the product. But what I really love in this ad is the link title and link description. 5 stars. My husband loves it. Social proof. Instead of claiming that their product is the best, they are showing their customers feedback, their customers review, and those 5 stars, those emoji are really going to attract the user attention. Also, the end of the text is sweet and short and really focus you on the social proof. Thanks, Holly. We are glad you like our tea tree brand oil. Bird on. Well done, Bird brand. Great ad. Thumb up. Here's an ad that I really didn't like this week. The $25 million swipe file. $25 million? Really? I'm going to give you the email, download this ebook, and I'm going to make $25 million with a PDF? I think that when you create ads, trust and reliability is an essential element of each successful campaign. Proposing that something that they are going to download is going to make them rich, is going to make them billionaire in a couple of weeks is just not realistic. Thumb down for the $25 million swipe file. That's all for this week. Ciao ciao and see you next week.